R 5581, State of Texas versus Ward Sam Heener. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense? Are you Mr. Heener? Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Heener, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it? Yes. Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
State's proceeding as to count one, waiving count two, and the enhancement allegation.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Heener, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? All right, you're gonna have to make sure you speak up.
Yes.
All right, did you understand you're charged with the offense of injury to a disabled person, bodily injury in count one? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? No, my question is, did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this cause number? Listen to me carefully. Did you intend to give up those rights? Yes or no?
Yes.
And do you wish to continue with the plea?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
My opinion, he does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Heener, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in? Let me finish my sentence or my question, okay? Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count one. They're asking that your punishments be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There are no applications. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and there's to be no contact with Don Elaine Smith. Did you understand that to be the plea? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions? Then to count one in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
State offers states exhibit all this.
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right. Who is the complainant in the repeat offender enhancement allegation? Sure.
I know the complainant in this case was complaining on the previous misdemeanor assault family violence.
Okay.
I'm unsure of who the other complainant was. The complainant in that case was Joy Mole, Moul. That's all we had on the sheet. Unfortunately, I don't have any notes in from that case. So I'm unaware of what the relationship was. What would you?
2007. All right, can we go off the record for a moment? All right. So my understanding is that the plea agreement now is for 4 years. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Heener, you're understanding that the plea agreement now is 4 years? All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just pray that the court follow the agreement. He understands he has not been forced to deciding anything. He is deciding to be, he's willing to do the 4 years. Yeah, he's willing to do the 4 years, and he's voluntarily signed on the court. So we would ask that the court follow the
All right. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and there's no contact with Don Elaine, Elain Smith. If you would prefer, I can ask that you be placed in the therapeutic community. Whether you're placed in the therapeutic community or not is completely up to them. I don't have any jurisdiction over them, but I can request it, and you'll have to ask for it as well. It appears from reading the stipulations that there's a lot of alcohol that was involved. So would you like me to request the therapeutic community for you? All right, and I'll request the therapeutic community. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? I'm sorry?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and also an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. How old are you? All right, so you're about to turn 50 and have your birthday either at the Bexar County Jail or at the prison. You're going to have to start changing your ways, because your history is not what it should be. And if you cannot be in a relationship, a healthy relationship, then maybe you should not be in a relationship. Okay. Yeah, but here's the thing. No. Here's the thing. I understand that people have drama and trauma in their past, and I acknowledge that. But that does not mean that because you've had drama or trauma in your past, then you get to inflict it upon innocent people. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you.